All right, welcome to Talkin' Investing. I am Tom, and as always, this is not financial advice. Today, I want to go through 4 stocks that are on my watch list that hit their 52-week low at some point in the day today. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And everybody, please do us a favor and smash the like button. It helps out the channel a lot. Feel free to leave a comment below. Also, in the pinned comment, you will see a link to our free Discord. We have over 500 people there, and we'd love to have you join us. Okay, I want to talk about 4 stocks today that have been on my watch list for a long time, one of which I own, and the other 3 of which I do not currently have a position in. All 4 of which are at their 52-week low, all 4 of which are at a 2-year low, and 3 of which are very near their all-time low. So I want to go through these and see what's going on with these stocks. Do they belong there? Is there an opportunity here? Are these falling knives that we should stay away from? Or are these stocks on sale? I'm going to give you my thoughts, and then you guys can decide for yourself. The first one I want to talk about is the Tattooed Chef, stock ticker TTCF. I've done several videos on the Tattooed Chef on this channel. Most of those videos have been positive. I like the Tattooed Chef. I think this is a long-term growth story. However, I think they have hit some major bumps in the road. If you want a deeper dive on what was going on with Tattooed Chef, you can check out my previous video. So that is the reason I don't own it right now. I do have some short-term concerns, and short-term could mean up to the next year. So this stock continues to fall. It is now under $10 for the first time in years, and it is very near its all-time low. So it's currently trading at $9.93. It hit $9.82 was the low on the day. The trading day is not over yet. I want to go to the chart and show you what's going on this one. Okay, this is the Tattooed Chef chart on the 1-day time frame. So you can see a red line right here at about $10.61. This is a line of support that held for 2 years. As of today, it has traded 100% below this line for the first time in 2 years, and this is very near the stock's all-time low. Just since March 29th, which was 3 weeks ago, this stock is down over 25%. So that is a massive pullback in a 3-week window for a stock that really hasn't had any news either way. So I think that a lot of the small cap high growth stocks seem to be getting taken out again. They've been beaten down since really last March. So we're more than a year into this cycle. Some of them have bottomed out and are turning around. Others are still free falling. This one, having cleared this 2-year line of support, I now would say is in a bit of a free fall. So for me, I would want to see if this can recover in a short period of time and close back above this and reestablish this as a line of support, or is this going to turn into a line of resistance? And if it does over the next few days, then I think you may expect to see the Tattooed Chef continue its downward spiral. And there really is no line of support below this. This right here was a 2-year line of support. The company has changed so drastically in that 2-year period of time. Anything it was trading for before that really wouldn't even serve as support. So basically, this was the last line of support. If it cannot get back above this, I don't know how low it's going to go. So on the first one, on the Tattooed Chef, for me, this is not something I own, and it's not something that I'm going to start buying into right now. What I would do personally, and again, this is not financial advice. Please make your own decisions and do your own due diligence. For me, if I see it reestablish itself above $10, above this line at $10.60 for a period of time, then I would say I might be interested in reopening a position in this stock. Okay, the second stock on the list is SoFi Technologies. They are trading at $7.16, and again, the trading day is not over right now. They got under $7 today, $6.98. So for SoFi, this is their absolute all-time low. Today's trading range was $6.98 to $7.31, and the 52-week range was $6.98 to $24.95. So you can see this stock is down drastically in a 52-week period. This is its first time ever under $7. It popped back above that. We're at $7.18 right now. But again, this is not only a 52-week low for SoFi, this is an all-time low for the stock. Let's take a look at the chart. This is the SoFi chart on the 1-day time frame. So you'll see this stock's been heading straight down basically since November 11th of 2021. So we're about 5 months into this stock going down, almost in really a straight steady line here. This stock is down 70% in the last 5 months. So that is a significant amount based on the size of this company. And there seems to be no floor to this. There is no other line of support again on this one. So this is another stock that I have been extremely interested in. I'm very much looking for an entry point, and I am not yet convinced. I'm still doing my due diligence as to whether or not it's time to start buying into this. And again, mainly because you can see when these stocks have this type of momentum, there are many stocks on my watch list that are down 80% or 90%. I've got a few that are down 95%. So this has only just now hit 70%, which seems like a massive downturn. With a falling knife, you don't know where the bottom is. So this is another one for me I'm staying away from for now. I am looking at it very closely. I'm on the verge of adding this. I'm just not ready to yet. I may regret that later. This could be the bottom today for all we know. Okay, the third stock on my watch list is Fubo TV, stock ticker FUBO. Fubo today traded down as low as $5.13. So you see today's trading range is $5.13 to $5.55. The 52-week trading range is $5.13 to $35.10. So it's pulled up a little bit to $5.25 as we speak. The market is not closed yet. So this is another stock that is at a 2-year low, and it's very near its all-time low. And when you look at the chart, you'll see this is a stock that is down more than 90% already. So it's at an $819 million market cap. Let's go take a look at the chart. Okay, so this is the Fubo chart on the 1 week time frame, because this goes back a little bit. You got to go back about a year and a half to get to their all-time high. That is December of 2020. They were also very near that again in February of 2021. From the top to the bottom in the last year and a half, this stock is down 91%. So that is a drastic, radical decrease in the price of this stock. This is one of these stocks where down 90%, you may feel comfortable that this stock is at its bottom. However, I own a stock in my portfolio that I started averaging into at 90% down, and it's down another 65% since then. I'm holding that stock because I believe it has value, so I've dollar cost averaged in. However, down 90%, you'd think you'd be safe. But I guess what I'm pointing out here is this is not a sure thing either. You can see even if we don't go all the way back, if we just go back 5 months ago to November 1st, this stock is still down 85%. So this has taken a drastic turn to the downside. It seems to be in a free fall. Once again, today it's hitting its 52-week low and its 2-year low and very nearly its all-time low. So this is a stock that I am not currently in, and I'm not looking to get into this one yet. So let me know if you want me to do a deep dive on Fubo. I have some reasons why I think this stock could actually go a lot lower even though it's 90% down. Okay, the fourth and final stock, Nano Dimensions. Nano Dimensions is trading at $2.92 right now, and again, it's not the end of the trading day. Today's range was $2.87 to $3.07. You'll see the 52-week range is $2.87, which means we hit our 52-week low today, to $9.33. So here's another stock that's down drastically. It's hit its 52-week low today. So for this stock, this is about a 1.5-year low. Any point older than that really isn't a good reference point. First, I'm going to tell you on this stock, I do own this stock, and there's something going on here, and I'm going to show you what it is. Their current market cap is $756 million. Their current cash position, actually, this is updated to it's $1,355 million. So that's over $5 a share they have in cash. You'll see they have versus $1.35 billion, they have only $3 million in debt. So essentially they have no debt. So their net cash is $3.55 billion. Their burn rate is very small. It's like $40 million a year and improving. So they have enough money essentially to last forever. And this stock is currently priced at $500 million less than just its cash in the bank, which means the enterprise value of this stock should be negative $500 million. And if we look here, so enterprise value, negative $498 million. That means they're valuing the core value of this company, they're valuing at negative $500 million, which makes no sense to me at all. So this is a stock that I own and I have been averaging into. So I guess if you believe management is awful and they are somehow going to squander their money and they're worth a negative amount of money, then you would stay away from this one. For me, I like this company. I like what they're doing. I've done several deep dives on this company as well. I think it is only a matter of time. They're having a 200% year over year. They're having a 200% compound annual growth rate over the last few years. Their sales are still small in comparison, but this is a company with 40 years of cash burn left, and their sales are headed in the right direction. So I do hold this stock. And again, this is not financial advice. You guys have to make up your own mind whether or not you think this makes sense as a good investment. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, so you'll see back on January 24th, which was the first time the market bottomed out in 2021, Nano Dimension also bottomed out at this red line of about $3.06. It has hit that subsequently on February 24th, again on March 14th, and then on April 14th, which was last Thursday. Now today, it is below this line. It's going to open and close below this line. So this is a new 52-week low. It's really a new 18-month low. And again, once we've got candles opening and closing below these long-term lines of support, that is not good news. The only reason I don't believe this is going to go into a free fall is it's already valued at negative $500 million. So I'm just not sure how much further this can go. However, I said the same thing over $1 ago on this stock. So, and it's gone down $1 since then. So we don't know. The risk is always that a stock could go to zero. Now, this one's unlikely to go to zero. They have $1.5 billion at the bank. They have $1.5 billion in the bank that, they're running through $40 million at a time, that they're running through $40 million a year. So it's going to be real hard for them to go anywhere for a long time. But that doesn't mean the stock can't continue to sneak down over time. And who knows when it will bottom and turn around. This is a long-term buy and hold for me. So I believe over the course of years, this will be a multi-bagger, but I don't know when that will start. So those are my 4 stocks that at the moment have broken long-term lines of support that have been on my watch list for a long time, one of which I own, that currently I would have to describe them all in a free fall. So hopefully you guys can add some of these to your watch list and watch them and see if there's anything here, if there's some investment potential here for you. So thanks so much for watching. Please remember if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And also, I would really appreciate it if you smash the like button for us. Thanks again for watching the video, and we will see you in the next one.